What do you know about our healthcare system?
I really don't have any thoughts on that.
I don't really know much about it.
Yeah.
I don't know how Obama is planning on changing anything.
I got no problem with our healthcare system because I got a job and I pay for my own stuff and it's not too expensive because I have a good policy.
I feel like healthcare is a right, not a privilege like, you know, most conservatives think it is.
When people get sick, we don't take care of them because they don't have the right money or the right health care.
45.7 million people in the U.S. are uninsured. The majority of those fortunate enough to have insurance are inadequately covered. New research has shown that 60% of family bankruptcies are due to unpaid medical bills, and 3/4 of that percentage is health insurance. Many benefits are simply just not covered by affordable health plans.
You have health insurance. No.
Why don't I have money for healthcare? I'm broke.
Because it's expensive.
Recession is expensive.
I have pretty good health insurance. My stepmom is a government lawyer, so we got on that. It covers a lot. Like prescriptions are pretty cheap. We got like a copay every time. Well, through my parents' work.
Through my parents.
Yeah. Most insurance companies, especially the government-controlled Medicare and Medicaid systems, don't cover the majority of medical costs, and the remaining fee is dispersed to the employers and individuals to compensate for.
Ever had problems with your health insurance?
Nothing is, I mean, just little things like getting mixed up on like what they cover and what they don't, but I mean, it's never cost me any extra money. It just takes time and effort to straighten it out.
Economics so messed up where it just, it should be a way where, some people can't afford it, so it should be a way where, it still get looked after in the proper way.
Not necessarily, because I don't really deal with it. It's all through my parents.
We do a lot of research trying to find new drugs, but really, that doesn't help a lot of people. Like in the long run, really, we need to help the people that are sick and that need healthcare and can't get it.
What would you change about healthcare if you could change something?
One thing I could change about healthcare, I guess, I don't know, I guess just the fact that it should be free. You shouldn't have to pay for things that just happen to you on accident.
I think it should be universally accessible, but there should be certain criteria that you have to meet in order to get it. Obviously, if you don't have a job and you're not doing anything to get it, then obviously you shouldn't have health care because you're not benefiting our nation.
It does need to be more affordable, but that's kind of hard to do without the government interference.
Yeah, just even with good health care, your family's going to have to give up a lot to take care of sick people.
Americans cannot afford to sit idly by and watch their healthcare system become biased towards a privilege. Care should be distributed as equitably as possible, with more emphasis on the patient's welfare, objective medical qualifications, and medical urgency, not because of their contributions to our economy or society.